you want to boost audience retention, you want to make your video to be engaging, okay, as a beginner in the world of content creation, or as someone who creates content on YouTube, okay, you need to make your video look very engaging so that people can be able to watch your video to a reasonable amount of time, okay, and that way YouTube can be able to promote your video, to push your video to more audience. So that is one of the things YouTube look at, okay, they look at your audience retention. So if you have a good audience retention, it's telling the algorithm that people like this video, and that way they can be able to push your video to more people. I'm going to be sharing with you on how to add effect on your video. Effects make your video pop up, it makes your video look enticing. For beginners that are trying to navigate their way on how to make simple videos, how to add a simple effect to their videos to make it more engaging, okay, and to make it retain audience whenever people are watching their video. And of course, I'm going to be using my phone to show you this. You don't really need a laptop. If you have a phone, like you create content with your phone, you can do this, and this is easy and simple. And I'm going to be using a beginner-friendly app, and I'm going to be showing you how to add effects to your video to make it look beautiful, okay? And of course, this is free of charge. You don't need to spend tons of money to, create videos that will be engaging, that will be enticing, that has this effect that will make people want to watch your video, that will make people want to stick around to watch your videos to the end. Keep watching as I share with you my screen. So to add effects to your videos is simple. All you need to do is to locate the InShot app. InShot app is a beginner-friendly app. So here, you tap to open the InShot app. Go to here that says video. I have already edited video here. If you've not edited your video, all you need to do is to go to this place, this plus sign. You tap, then it take you to your gallery. Okay, then you select the video, edit the video first, then you can add effect to the video. I'm going to be using the video I've already edited, okay, so this is the video here, it's already edited, then I tap to open. So this is the video here. I have to turn down the volume, so I've edited this video. So the next thing to do is to add effects to this video. Like I said, effect makes your video, good to the eyes, make people want to watch, help to retain audience, okay, and that is what YouTube wants, okay. So all you need to do is to locate here that says effect, okay. You're going to see Canva, audio, sticker, text, effect, okay. So this is where you want to go, then you tap on effect. So once you tap on effect, you're going to see effect here, then you see AI effect. We're going to be using effect, okay. So you go to this effect, you also tap on this effect. So when you tap on the effect, you're going to see different effects here. We have the basic, we have the glitch. These are the effects under glitch. Then we have fade. These are the effects under fade. We have film. These are the effects under film. Then we have blur. Okay, so this will give you that blurry effect. We have beats, then shake, analog, split, retro, retro 2, lens, glass, netting, weather, vibrate, stylize, celebrate, style, and distort. Okay, so these are different effect style, and there are some that are premium. There are some that you need to pay before you can be able to access the effect, or you're going to be going by the free effects. Of course, there are so many good free effects on InShot. Okay, so let's start with the basic effect. Now I tap on the basic effect, right? So I can choose from any of these. As you guys can see, the first here we have slow zoom, and this is the effect it's going to give to our video. Okay, this slow zoom. Okay, so let's tap on this slow zoom. When we tap on this slow zoom, as you guys can see, it gave us this particular effect. So this is where you're going to control it. We're going to control it here, okay, because we want a slow zoom. We're going to shift this particular slider back, as you guys can see. Okay, so it helps to reduce the pace at which the effect pops. Okay, if I turn this down to up to here, it's going to give us this fast effect. Okay, so let me show you an example, as you guys can see. But when you take it down, okay, slowly down, okay, it's going to give us this slow zoom, okay, to our video. Okay, so when we play the video, it's going to give us this slow zoom out. Okay, so that is what this particular effect gives us. So here is a kind of regulator, okay, where you regulate how fast or how slow you want the effect to be. For you to make it more good to the eyes, it's best, okay, you turn it down a little so that when it's zooming, it's going to be giving you this slow motion kind of zoom, not fast motion. Okay, so you can just regulate it here. As you regulate it here, you can be able to go for the pace at which you want. Okay, so like I said, I've chosen this and I've regulated the pace to be at this point. Then the next thing you're going to do is to go to this tick sign, then you tap on it. So we're going to see how it is on this video. And as you guys can see here, this is the slow zoom. You can drag it, okay, to anywhere you want. Let me drag it to this particular point. I splitted this video. Let me draw this back so you see the effect it gave us. Okay, so let me play this video here. So remember, this is the slow zoom effect, okay, and I regulated it so it will give me this slow zoom, okay, like I showed you guys. Okay, so let me now tap on this play button so you see the effect here. Okay, let me tap on play. As you guys can see, it's coming up slowly. That is the effect for the slow zoom. Okay, so if you want to add another type of effect to another clip in the video, you still go to effect again, you tap on effect. Okay, remember that the first one we went for slow zoom, the second one is jump zoom, okay, and this one is zoom out. Okay, so let's go for jump zoom so we see the effect that jump zoom gave us. Okay, then you tap on jump zoom. So once you tap on jump zoom, you can regulate it here, right? As you guys can see, once you tap on the effect, it's going to immediately affect the footage, right? So like I said, let's still go back, okay, to regulating it to give us a slower pace. Now let's drag this slider back, and then next you go to this tick line, you tap on this tick line. As you guys can see, we have the jump zoom here. Then you drag the slider, okay, drag it to where you want it to reach. Okay, let me still drag it to this point where I splitted the video. Okay, now the next is the jump zoom. Okay, so let's see the effect it will give us in this video. Let's start, from the way down to the first effect we gave it down to the second one. Now let me tap on play. So just focus your attention here to see the effect it's going to give to this video, which is the major aim of this video. Then I tap the play button, starting from the first effect, which is the slow zoom, okay, then over to the jump zoom. So this is what the jump zoom is giving us. The next effect, let's go to effect again, then we go to the next one. We have glitch. There are effects under glitch. Okay, these are effects under glitch. Like I said, there are the ones you have to pay for to access. Okay, so let's tap on this and see whether it's paid. Okay, it's not paid. As you guys can see, it's giving us this glitch effect. Now you have to regulate it here. Let's drag it. As you guys can see, it's faster like this. Then dragging it down, back, gives us this slower pace, right? So taking it up is giving us this faster pace. Now let's go to see it proper in the video. Just go here, you tap on this tick. So this is the glitch effect. You can drag it to anywhere you want. Okay, drag it to anywhere you want, right? Then let's start from the very first and play it. So we are playing our video. This is the very first effect, slowly zooming out. Then this is the jump effect, it remained there. Okay, so the next is the glitch effect. So this is what is giving us, this is the vibe it's giving us, depending on where you want the length to reach. Still go to effect, then you go here, you tap on effect. So there are different numerous effects. This is the glitch effect. Okay, it gave us this effect. The fade effect, it gave us this white fade effect. We have the film effect. Just focus your attention on the footage. You see the effect is giving us. Then the next is blur effect. You tap on blur effect, it's giving us this blur effect. We tapped on bit, then you go to zoom under bit, then you leave it to come up. Are you seeing the effect is giving to this particular video? Let's go to this tick line. Okay, as you guys can see here, it has reflected here. You drag it. If you don't want to drag it, you can leave. Okay, depending on what you want. Let's play from here so you see the effect it's going to give. So this is the effect. This particular one is given. And that is basically how you can add effects, okay, to your video. You can add it to your entire video, you can add it at some point, but it's best you add it at some point, at a particular point, in some point in your video. It tends to make the video more engaging and more cool, because if you add too much of it, it doesn't look good again. So you should know the particular point you should add effect to your video to make your video look good. So that is how you can add effect to your video. Just follow this tutorial and add effect to your video, and you can be able to retain audience, which is what YouTube needs. Okay, so that is the tutorial on how to add effect to your video. Once you're done adding effect to your video, of course, you have to remove the watermark. If there's still watermark, okay, then you go to export, you tap on export to export the video, and that is how to add effect to your video. Okay, hope this was helpful. If you learned something, don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.